Hello viewers, welcome to Viday. This video is brought to you by Exams Viday. Everything is possible. Exams Viday is non-profit initiative by students of IIIT Kanchipuram to give free coaching and resources to students preparing for national level competitive exams like NTSC and NMMS. Today's topic is areas and volumes. We are going to cover following topics: areas and perimeters of 2D figures, solid shapes, surface area, volumes, and some special cases. Now, perimeter. The perimeter of any shape is the sum of all side lengths of the shape. It is also known as circumference, obviously measured in linear units. Example: perimeter of a square, side plus side plus side plus side. Perimeter of square is 4a, and similarly rectangle and triangle. Now, its area. In geometry, the area can be defined as a space occupied by a flat shape or surface of an object. Example of area is generalized by quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ABCD is half breadth into height, half breadth into height, and triangle of ADC half breadth into height. Taking AC common, equation is transformed as half AC into H1 plus H2, where D denotes the length of diagonal AC. Area of quadrilateral ABCD becomes half AD into H1 plus H2. Area and perimeter of general examples. Area of triangle is half breadth into height. Area of parallelogram is height into breadth. Rhombus and rectangle are very similar to parallelogram, and therefore their area is breadth into height. A square is a rectangle in which length and breadth are equal, so area of square is L square. From the definition of perimeter, perimeter of the following objects, following shapes can be found in one way, that is sum of all sides. Some examples on areas. The area of trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. The distance between two parallel slides is 15 meters. And one of the parallel side is 20 meters. Find the other parallel side. Solution. Given one of the parallel side of trapezium A is 20 meters and height is 15 meters, and we have to find another parallel side value B. Given area is 480 meters square. Now we all know that area of trapezium is half H into A plus B. By substituting these values in this equation, 480 equal to half into 15 into 20 plus B. By solving, the value of B is 44 meters. Hence, the other parallel side of trapezium is 44 meters. Example 2. The area of rhombus is 240 cm square and one of the diagonals is 16 cm. Find the other diagonal. Solution. Let the length of one diagonal D1 is 16 cm, and now we have to find the length of other diagonal D2. According to question, area of rhombus is given as 240 cm square. Now we know that area of rhombus formula is half D1 D2. By equating both, 240 equal to half D1 into D2. We know that D1 equals 16 cm. By substituting D1 equals 16 cm in the equation, we can find the value D2. Hence, the length of second diagonal is 30 cm. Now, solid shapes or 3D shapes. Solid shapes. Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. Here is the list of 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. These are general 3D objects or solid shapes. Now, surface area. The space occupied by a two-dimensional flat surface is called the area. It is measured in square units, obviously. The area occupied by three-dimensional object by its outer surface is called surface area. Surface area can be of two types: total surface area, and the next one is curved surface area. Curved surface area is also known as lateral surface area. The first type of surface area is total surface area. Total surface area refers to the area including the base and the cover part. It is total of the area covered by the surface of the object. If the shape has curved surface and the base, then total area will be sum of the two areas. Now the second surface area is curved surface area or lateral surface area. Curved surface area refers to the area of only the curved part of the shape, excluding its base. It is also referred to as lateral surface area for shapes such as cylinder. Volume. The amount of space measured in cubic units that an object or substance occupies is called volume. Obviously, volume is measured in cubic units. Two-dimensional doesn't have volume but has area. Sphere, cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, triangular prism can possess volume. Here's the most important aspect: surface area and volumes of 3D object. Cuboid. Curved surface area is 2h into L plus B. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Volume is LBH. Here L is length, B is breadth, H is height. Cube. Curved surface area is 4a square. Total surface area is 6a square. Volume is a cube. Here A is side length. Right circular cylinder. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h. Volume is pi r square h. Here r is radius and h is height. Right circular cone. Curved surface area is pi rl. Total surface area is pi r into L plus r. Volume is 1/3 volume of circular cylinder. Here r is radius, L is length. Sphere. Sphere don't have curved surface area and total surface area is 4 pi r square and volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Here r is radius. Hemisphere. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square and total surface area is 3 pi r square. Volume is 2/3 pi r cube. Half of sphere. Here's a special case number 1: halo cylinder. An object bounded by the coaxial cylinders of the same object and different radii is called halo cylinder. You can easily derive these results from the figure, or you can remember these results. CSA of halo cylinder is 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus r plus h square units. Volume of halo cylinder equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square into h cubic units. Example on halo cylinder. If 1 liter of paint covers 10 meter cube, how many liters of paint is required to paint the internal and external surface areas of cylindrical tunnel whose thickness is 2 meters and internal radius is 6 meters and height is 25 meters? Solution. Given that h is equal to 25 meter and thickness equal to 2 meter and internal radius is 6 meter, we know that external radius r equal to internal radius plus thickness. 6 plus 2 external radius is equal to 8 meter. Both CSA of cylindrical tunnel and CSA of halo cylinder are equal. Now CSA of halo cylinder equal to 2 pi into r plus r into h square units from the formula. By substituting these values, we can get CSA equal to 2200 meter square. Area covered by 1 liter of paint is equal to 10 meter square from the question. Number of liters required to paint the tunnel is CSA of cylindrical tunnel by area covered by 1 liter of paint is equal to 220. Hence 220 liters of paint is needed to paint the tunnel. Special case number 2: halo hemisphere. You can easily get these results by deriving it from figure, or you can remember these results. CSA of halo hemisphere 2 pi into capital R square plus small r square units. Here capital R is equal to radius of outer hemisphere and small r is radius of inner hemisphere. TSA of halo hemisphere is pi into 3 capital R square plus small r square units. And finally, volume of halo sphere is 4/3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Example on hemisphere. The internal and external radii of hollow hemisphere shell are 3 mm and 5 meter respectively. Find the TSA and CSA of the shell. Solution. From the figure, the external radii and internal radii are given. Given r equal to 5 and small r equal to 3. We know that CSA of the shell is 2 pi into capital R square plus small r square units. By substituting these values, CSA will become 213.71 square units. And we know that TSA of the shell is pi into 3 pi r square plus small r square units. By substituting given values in this formula, we get TSA equal to 264 square units. Therefore, curved surface area equal to 213.71 meter square and total surface area equal to 264 meter square. Special case number 3, frustum of a cone. It is very significant. You can find these results by observing the figure. According to definition, CSA is area of down surface plus area of upper curved surface. CSA of frustum is pi into capital R plus small r into L. Capital R is radius of down curved surface and small r is radius of upper curved surface. Now, according to definition of total curved surface area, CSA plus area of bases. CSA plus area of down curved base and area of up curved base. And the volume of frustum is pi h by 3 into capital R square plus small r square into capital R into small r cubic units. Example of a frustum cone. If the radii of circular ends of the frustum, which is 45 cm high and 28 cm and 7 cm, find the volume of frustum. Given h equal to 40 cm, r equal to 28 cm and small r is 7 cm. We know that volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi into capital R square plus capital R into small r plus small r square. Here capital R is radius of down curved surface and small r is radius of up curved surface. By substituting these values from question, we can find volume easily. Therefore, volume of the frustum is 48510 cm cube. Example on volume. A rectangular piece of paper 11 cm to 4 cm is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 cm. Find the volume of cylinder. Solution. From the question, length of paper becomes the perimeter of the base of the cylinder and width becomes height. Let the radius of cylinder is r and height be h. Perimeter of the base of the cylinder is 2 pi r equal to 11. From the question 2 pi r equal to 11, we can find r equal to 7 by 4 cm. We all know that volume of cylinder V is pi r square h. By substituting the value of r and h in these equation, we find volume of cylinder is 38.5 cm cube. Thank you for attending. Please check the description below for extra questions and lecture notes for each chapter. Follow Exam Shudai.